Guys, we have the FMS Twin 70 A-10 V2. I want to personally thank FMS for getting this over to us for us to review. It was a pretty cool story. FMS has a consistent track record of coming out to hobby events. They were at an event and I was talking with them and they were actually kind enough to send us home with this. And I think it's really cool that a company of that size understands the importance of the hobby and the community and getting content out there for the average consumer. There were absolutely no contingencies other than have fun, enjoy the hobby, and share as many memories as you can. So I just want to say thank you. Really upstanding.
Yep.
So this plane has been out for a long time, okay? There are definitely newer A-10s out there, but this A-10 is a staple. I mean, that black camo livery.
It's so nice.
So nice, dude. It's a little bit heavy. Flip the gear for us. Look at that, boys. Awesome sequence. You know, couple dings and scrapes from yours truly, but just an awesome, awesome plane. This one has been clear coated. They don't come clear coated, but you're gonna see how good that looks. And let's beat the weather, man. Let's get out there and just have a little fun.
All right, we got pilot Joshua. Ryan, as he said, FMS, the contingency was basically have fun and give it away. So Josh is a lucky pilot, and let's see what we can do with it. So pretty. A plane designed around a gun.
Oh, do I have any games on?
No.
I have, what? I don't know what flight mode I'm in.
Are you in safe?
So cool.
This does fly really nice.
Try and come in real close for a nice flyby. Woo! Yeah, get a couple more of those.
Whoa, and there's the thunder.
Yeah, do a tumble. Come in, land this way for sure. Full flap. Keep the nose down. Nose down, nose down. Power, power, power. Go around, go around. Full flaps, nose down. And keep the power. Yep, nose down, nose down. Nose down. Perfect, nose down. Yep, nose down. Bang.
Yeah.
And front gear
Nice,
folded.
dude. Beautiful.
Dude,
Good
so
flying, bro.
Thank you.
great flying.
Absolutely.
So that was a very different type of maiden, okay? This is not a sponsored video. It's very,
No.
okay, it was given to me by FMS with clear intentions of just having fun and get it to someone who deserves it.
Yep.
So we have a young club member, part of our youth kind of program at our field. I can tell you straight up, I mean, I'm putting my head on the pillow at night tonight, feeling good that I am telling you the God honest truth.
Yeah. It's a good plane. I mean, I've always liked FMS. They've supported me on my channel. They've sent me a lot of cool planes as well. So, all right, tell me why you're the best pilot.
Because I've only crashed 3 planes in the last month and a half. No, I've been on a streak, man.
Yeah, I seen it in the group chat. This is the plane Ryan won at Wafy, big RC airplane event. We had a video of a couple, like 2 months ago or something like that. Wow, call you prop hanging Ryan.
Cut that one out.
Was that supposed to be a landing?
No. Well, it's supposed
Was it touch and go?
It's supposed to be nice and clean.
More like a slam and go. Wow, it's got unlimited vertical, doesn't it? For a big plane on a, what is it, 6S 4000?
Yeah.
Wow.
Landing flaps.
The grass is green, by the way. The grass doesn't look like the runway.
The one time I actually managed to hit the runway.
Nice. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.